It begins in the brain, a universe of connections where life's colors are born. Vibrant and alive, it shapes every thought, emotion, and moment. But sometimes, that balance is lost. When waking up feels like an endless wait. When everything ahead seems distant and escape feels like the only choice. These struggles remain unseen, yet their echoes touch every part of life. Amidst the chaos, there is a steady presence. A guide who listens, understands, and heals. With care, they rebuild what feels broken, restoring life, one connection at a time. And we stand beside them, with proven treatments tailored for every need. Together, we reconnect patients to life, bringing back the hope they thought was gone. Reconnect to colors. Reconnect to life.